What is going on, everyone? My name is Dr. Vic, owner of Relief Chiropractic, and I'm here to help you figure out what the hell is going on. We want to get to the root cause of the problem, not just chase pain. We want to chase function, because if you function well, then you will start to feel well. If you have any underlying issues that you just can't seem to grab a hold of, please come in and let me help you figure out what the hell is going on so we can get you from point A, B, and then you can go to C. Thank you. Have a great day.